Today's session discuss 12th standard chemistry, chemical kinetics. Very important. How to the physical chemistry part is the how to the part is also involved of the type of the reaction which based the reaction involved to the reactant part. It will be calculated for the derivation. So directly it will be important was discussed for derivation examination points. So chemical kinetics, what is the base? The intercalated rate equation. The rate change into the concentration of the solution reactant directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. So the reactant part of A to give this product part. So the general reaction is A gives product. The rate law will be considered minus differentiate of A divided differentiate of T. So equal to chemical equilibrium of A type of molecules in X time is also considered minus dA by dt is the rate at instant of the reactions, and T is the concentration of reactant of the later time. So initial to final time for the reactant times. So that formula is applied to that. First of all, important, the intercalated rate law for a first order reaction. So a reaction whose rate depends on the reaction concentration rise to the first power is called first order reaction. Example, following that the chlorine reaction, the same similar apply a product. So the rate law can be expressed as rate equal to chemical equilibrium kinetics is a K A power of 1 is the power of values. So K is first order rate constant. So it will be rate apply of the equation is a minus dA by dt equal to K A power 1. So change into the position T here into the A. So minus dA by A equal to K dt, that mentioned to equation 1. So the above the equation limit of time T equal to 0. So equal to concentration variation from initial to final A0 to A, A0 to A. So at the later time it will be apply integral A0 to A minus dA by dt equal to K lower limit 0 to upper limit T. So differentiate of T. It will be conclusion. So this is what is the ln minus logarithmic of A in lower limit A0 by upper limit A equal to K. T inter differentiate is based on the T lower limit 0 to T. So A into minus ln A, already one minus formula basic. So A ln A naught, first of all upper limit, and next it will be used for lower limit equal to K T involve the upper limit minus and lower limit of chemical equilibrium 0. So minus into minus plus ln A naught. So first of all it will be reactant part will be important. So ln A naught minus ln A equal to KT. So ln A by B is the mathematical formula equal to log A minus log B format, students. So ln A means A naught divided A equal to KT. So equation 2 is the natural logarithmic converted to usual based on the 10 multiply of the terms value 2.303 value apply to the log position here. So here that the answer like that 2.303 log A naught divided A equal to KT. So find out the K means T is also divided. So K equal to 2.303 divided T log A naught by A. This is the first order equation, students. This is a first order equation students. So above the equation 2 already discussed the equation number 2, ln a naught by a equal to kt. Consider form to the plot of graph y equal to mx plus c straight line equation. So apply. So ln a naught minus ln a equal to kt. So find out the a means that kt is also LHS, a naught is also R is ln a is a RHS part, kt is a LHS. So ln a equal to logarithmic of a equal to logarithmic a naught minus kt. So that form is a logarithmic a y equal to logarithmic of a naught equal to c plus mx format is also kt. So following the reaction of the concentration and the reactant plot of ln a against t is the ln a is the reactions concentration, and the plot of x-axis is also t is the negative slope is applied to the values. So the slope is applied to straight line y equal to mx plus c formula. So first order reaction example like that, decomposes reaction of nitrogen pentoxide. So decomposition of nitrogen dioxide to of oxygen molecules, and next decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So decomposition reactions of water molecules and of oxygen molecules. Next isomerism of cyclopropane to propylene, cyclopropane to propylene. So one very important 5 mark. So integrated rate law for the first order reaction students. First of all, step 1, a equal to product, and next is a rate function equal to k a power value 1. Apply. The rate value is already find out, minus d differentiate of a by dt is also apply. So differentiate of time is also RHS part divided to RHS part multiply. So k dt, and a is also divided, and in the equation 1. So differentiate position. So find out the equation number 2. It's based on the log a by b equal to log a minus log b format. So ln a naught by a equal to kt is also applied to the natural logarithmic to usual logarithmic base 10 base. The permanent value multiply value is 2.303. Apply is ln change into log. So a naught by a equal to kt. So find out the chemical kinetics, chemical equilibrium, k equal to, so LHS part RHS to LHS t also divided. So k equal to 2.303 divided t log a naught by a. So next will be straight line function formula apply based on the equation 2, and examples also 3 examples also here: nitrogen pentoxide, hydrogen peroxide, and cyclopropane to propene. So changes of isomerism process based on the first order reactions. Very important 5 mark students. Thank you to all.